Hi everyone, this video will walk you through how to set up your printer and how to take your first order. So first of all, as you unpack the box, make sure you have all the items that you see here on screen before proceeding. Printer, control terminal, user manual, power cable, frame, and platform. And as you go through, you're just going to put it together almost like a Lego set. Note that there are cables that are installed inside the platform, so you actually plug those into the tablet, into the printer itself, and then the platform gets plugged into the wall and into your network connection there in your shop. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and you're off to the races. Now unpack the printer. There's going to be a lot of that shipping plastic and different things inside the printer. So as you unpack that, slide that right onto the printer and then plug it in. You have you have a power cable and a data cable. And then you press and hold the buttons on the printer until they turn a solid green. Sometimes they're blinking while they're working, and that's something you'll see throughout the video as you go through different steps. Part 2, ink cartridge installation. Unpack the box, take off all the shipping plastics. Then there's a little piece of plastic over the air hole that you'll need to poke a hole through so that air can get into the cartridges and the ink can drain into the system. So you can use a ballpoint pen or a letter opener or even a paper clip. So as you unpack those, you'll press the ink button and open the lid, wait for the carriage to move into place, and then you can open up the lid to the ink coast. Here you'll snap in each of those cartridges and make sure that you hear them click as they go into place and that they go into the corresponding slot based upon their color. Should be pretty simple and straightforward and kind of gratifying as you press those in. You'll both feel and hear it click. So if something's not going in, don't force it, just pull it back out and go back in and align it correctly. Once they're all in and you're sure that it's in properly, close the lid to the ink coast and the carriage will move back into place, and you can close the lid on the printer itself and then press the ink button and wait for the light to turn solid. While it's blinking, it's going to be filling the printer up with ink from the cartridges. Part 3, nozzle check. This is really an important part of the video and the setup process to make sure that you get beautiful prints. So you're going to put in some A4 paper in and you're going to do a nozzle test. You're going to press the icon on the tablet for the PRINTMI setup and maintenance. Then you're going to get another menu and you're going to select preferences and then the maintenance tab and then nozzle check. So then select print and it'll print a test page. Then you can compare the test page to the key that you saw there on screen, and based upon how the printed page compares to the check, you can go back through and either do it again or realign. If you have a good print test, you can hit finish. Part 4, taking a customer order. So again, you're going to hit the PRINTMI icon. You're going to get the interface will load up with the menu, press design. Then on the customer's phone, they will scan the barcode. And then they will pick their make and model of phone so that the printer knows the exact dimensions to print. And then they will select a photo from their photo album or take a new one right there in the shop. It with them, you can then edit the photo here, reposition, zoom, get it exactly as they want it. And you'll notice that that frame that it's in is precise to that phone model. Then you're going to save it and get an order number. That order number is important for the customer to use for the system, because as you go into the system and refresh, you'll see all the orders in there and you'll find the order for that customer. Simply going to print it from there and then insert into the phone case. So if you have any questions, please shoot us an email or a phone call. And thanks for watching the PRINTMI setup installation video. Hi everybody, welcome to the PRINTMI setup. Hi everybody, welcome to the PRINTMI setup installation video.